Hi, I'm Aditi Mammen Gupta, co-founder of Origin Nutrition. I would like to tell you all about our brand and products. Our brand Origin Nutrition started because my husband Chirag is lactose intolerant and we couldn't find any delicious clean vegan protein in the market. Since we couldn't find it, we decided to make it ourselves, and after almost a year of hard work, Origin began. First, let me start with the main topic. What is protein? Protein is an essential nutrient and it's essential for speedy recovery, to maintain strength and energy, and to increase stamina. Our bodies also use protein to build new cells, maintain tissues, and perform basic body functions. Did you know 73% of the Indian population is protein deficient? By nature, our Indian diet is very low in protein, and protein is critical to improve strength and energy. Some examples of low-protein regular Indian foods which we consume every day are chapati, upma, idli, paratha, etc. Now, what happens when we have less protein? We feel tired. It leads to muscle loss, lots of bone and joint problems, especially as we age, fatty liver, and many more problems. Most people don't know how much protein a person actually needs. So to break it down, a person who weighs 75 kilos requires approximately 75 to 150 grams of protein based on their levels of activity. Basically, a regular functioning person needs 1 gram of protein per kilo of body weight. You'll be surprised to know that 1 full cup of chana or 2 eggs or 50 grams of raw chicken all amount to only 10 grams of protein. So imagine how much you actually require. There are 2 typical protein powders available. Whey protein, which is the protein made from whey, a byproduct of milk. You know the liquid left over after making paneer? Whey is made from that. Vegan protein is simply protein derived from plant-based sources such as pea, rice, soy, and others. Now let me tell you how Origin Nutrition's vegan protein is different from whey protein. Origin vegan protein is suitable for all diets, whereas whey protein is not suitable for vegan diets. Origin is made from plants and contains high levels of fiber, while whey does not contain any fiber. Origin vegan protein is more sustainable and whey is less sustainable and not good for the environment. Vegan is completely allergy-free and dairy is a major allergen. Dairy is made from lactose, which can lead to stomach issues for many people. Vegan is easily digestible without any side effects, and whey can lead to acne, indigestion, and other side effects. Why should you choose Origin? It's vegan, 100% natural, no added sugar, dairy and nut-free, soy and gluten-free, non-GMO, aids in weight management. It has a complete amino acid profile from a blend of pea and pumpkin seed protein. Our proteins are imported only from Europe and it's suitable for the lactose intolerant. We are Informed Choice certified, delicious tasting, added digestive enzymes to aid digestion. Our digestive enzyme blend does not contain any bromelain or papain and is safe for pregnant and lactating women as well. It's highly versatile. You can cook, bake and smoothie it. Our protein has been heat tested to make sure that bioavailability does not decrease after heat exposure. Why Origin? Here is how Origin Nutrition is different from other vegan protein powders. Origin is probably one of the only 100% natural protein powder brands in India. Ours is completely soy-free. We are certified by Informed Choice UK, where our products are brought every month and tested in labs in the UK for 250 plus banned substances. Origin's products go through regular heavy metal testing. It took a year of formulation to zero in on the right taste for the best tasting plant protein. Origin's protein is sourced only from Europe. Now, how do you use it? You need to blend 2 scoops of protein with cool water or plant-based milk. You need to communicate this that the amount of liquid used is crucial to the taste. This is around 300 to 350 ml or 1.5 glasses of liquid. You can even make it taste better by adding fruits to it. Let me quickly take you through our product range. We have our pouch packaging, which is ideal for regular buyers since it's larger in size, from 835 grams to 1 kg. Our pouches are not available in the physical pharmacies but are available online on Apollo 24/7. We also have our jar packaging, which is smaller sized and perfect for first time buyers to try out. These are available in the pharmacies. Our flavors are our chocolate, which is made from our premium protein blend of European pea protein and organic cold pressed pumpkin seed protein. It is sweetened with stevia and contains added digestive enzymes. Our vanilla is made again from our premium protein blend and natural vanilla extract. Strawberry is actually made without using any strawberry flavor and instead is flavored with natural strawberry powder and beetroot powder. Origin's delicious coffee caramel is made with real coffee powder for that authentic flavor. And finally, our unflavored. This is our most versatile product. It is unsweetened and can be mixed in any savory dish like dosas, rotis, dals and soups. Our protein has been heat tested to ensure high bioavailability after being exposed to high temperatures. Our multi-flavor pack is perfect for those who want to try out all the flavors before purchasing a larger pack. It contains a single serving sachet of all 4 flavors: chocolate, vanilla, strawberry and coffee caramel. Origin's plant-based biotin has 10,000 mcg of plant-based natural biotin extracted from Sesbania agati. It has bamboo shoot, which helps in production of collagen, lycopene, which controls hair loss, pomegranate, which protects skin from aging, curcumin, which is a powerful antioxidant, and amla to help strengthen hair, and lemon to fight inflammation. Now we hope you enjoyed our training video.